Some rocks below are landing, just making sand out here. And
so I did 4 rockets. I did 5 rockets. 4 didn't work.
I should mark it all the way through. Yeah. Same all the way through.
Right, we're going to decide where we're all going to go. We're going to...
Okay, so that's what
Ydych chi'n meddwl o y sir te?
Really cool, really friendly. As soon as we got dod off a cwch o pawb fel, this is the crack. Really, yn teimlo'n really, mae'r lle celf yn really nice hefyd. Fel, lot o pobl cool gwmpas. A mae'r llechi yn really cool hefyd.
Mae'n eitha cool. Hoffi'r... Ddim yn hoffi'r adeilad, hoffi'r stael y lle.
Agus tá damas a bheith an beag teo agus damas an smór agus muicú do bhío agus dún ngáil agus Glasgow agus tasú an gomáin se tan agus agus so sin tas mis mach leháin agus pe mu caiise dúir bheits an lí. Is leor na míse a hastal muid go dtí seo.
We're here from Wales. It's my first time in Ireland. A few of us came a couple of years ago. I'm not sure what year it was. It's great to be here. It's such an amazing place. So, diolch am y croeso, which means thanks for the welcome. It's like beautiful and walking around. This song I'm going to sing is called Calon Visbai, which means shining heart, and it's about where most of us live. We've come from Machynlleth in Wales. And moved there recently. Just everything that was happening just made my heart warm and shine. So, yeah.
But we say grabber in that lad as rather you might be net is loyal and I guess we should lord the matters I guess there's Marianne heads of are you from Donegal? We should go and grab Tana clochor chichim gosale Sedig John a ganye Moin shaw Tana body stapay Rasevi Lo fado Hanig na Karabaji Lesson Baeran in our knava Arvoil as Conamaros Mojig John Ganye Moincho
Royal Khru Jingrete Khaire Akashamai Irnasam Ferne Glurida A Krakir Gaitwe
with us tonight and for giving us such a warm welcome. It's been a real pleasure to come here and to play for you. And we're finishing off Paracarby with a set from everybody together.
Something like that, I think, yeah. I just saw that I was on the list to say thanks there, but I think I said it a minute ago. So I was just going to say, Jeremy Shaf's Gael, just group of Durchmahanna, just group of Magadish, just chap them off, at the Sarah, August, see the Clavetcha, it's an oracle knowledge, August, a Casacol, August, just group of Magadish, as the Jam Shalog, as would you look, Gumina Magi, August, yeah, we saw Mike here, Hadler, yeah, Cliff was like a couple of real, Captain. So, yeah.
Three real. The real on the limestone rock at time they provide and we in show but no, three real kind of yeah, three my kids kind of
Gone and gone, I think.
Great type of that. I guess a wild Irishman in German. Accordion, yes, Jacker tunnel.
And how is it to be playing with Welsh musicians today? Oh, last night.
It was very varied. Anyway, the concert was good because there's so much different stuff going on, you know.
Yeah, it's really interesting with the two traditions. There's lots of similarities but lots of differences as well, but it's good to collaborate and be creative.
This is Joe This is my parents' pub, so we're just back from this year now. I had to get the early boat, but I played one gig this morning, another gig in an hour, and one later again, so yeah, but I think there's a few people asking about the show tonight, so I think we're going to have a nice...
people on the boat were saying they were coming.
Oh great, yeah, so hopefully it's going to be a good night now tonight.
Bíoh tíreigh ar amach siar go dúnaingus agus bhíoh tí fits
Eddie am a lice a labo Eddie Imringloch fiar Polis rochi car Gimocht wens an ihe Agus treis me húsio Vita I went Hjón me na bóri fód na bailte Chorta me na rágini Na lóstín is brú Chora me faiaster Muintir na háte Ag fis rú focal No fire food.
Hi, my name's Alice. Thanks for the welcome. We're part of the group from Cymru, Wales. And I'm going to sing a song about the moon. I don't think I really need the microphone.
Beidio dros dy merched bod Ar tafod yn yr hufen iawn Gwerthfawrogi amser y dan Mae'n hafed ton Ond braf yn cael Teimlo cymheswydd o pelydrar hael
Tune, we would find the limestone rock, and you should read the limestone rock. When you tell us about it, so you mean this one now?
The wandering poet of Mid Wales.
And it's Hardy, who doesn't wander at all. There we are then. Now we thought we'd give you just a little taste of poetry from Wales. And the first one we're going to do is accompanied and embellished by pipes of Ireland. And it's a song about the wild geese. And this is how I imagine the wild geese brag as they fly, because they're very big, self-confident, loud creatures. So we're going to give you a blast of this. Oh, brilliant. And my Anissa is the woman of the lights tonight. Okay, we're off. Caleb without wish in Welsh. Amran Beana Fian, I hope, closely in Irish. And the Song of the Wild Geese in English. Speaking to the mic. Okay, speaking to the mic. Good idea. Okay. Right. I just can't get the staff these days. Nee, you adenydd y storwm, y lleisiau yn y gwenes, cysgodion eira sy'n tywallu'r byd, bri eira sy'n llenwi'r byd. Ni sy'n dachren y cymalau, yn gwawdio cypaion, yn troedio gwyntoedd oddi canon. Ni yw'r clogwynau sy'n tyfu a bob traeth y gaea. Ni yw'r ewyn sy'n chwythu o'r todau yn ffrwydd. March filwyr o Nil, clachlynwyr a lliw pant, yn chwilio'r byd am ryddid, asglodion gwyllt a gwynt.
And we made this song on the motorway. It has a drum machine. Oh, wait.
dadl, chwedl, posibilrwydd o fedal, yn cymalu breuddwydion pur.
Dafado anig na garach a gyd leis an bairan in ar knala arfael as gan na maras magic John na ganye moin seo Nos an ffyrdd a clyw'r iddew yn cragu'r gaedwyr y gwynsi'n carddi meddyliau galar a hyn ysbrydion y crwydro'r nos
It's been session that age of the year, much at the end of the year final final. I've just going to get this one special. I guess there's only one garage of kind of us and cold enough. I guess the media. I guess the real Kirby Wadi has shocked the mark. This church talking of the Gui Marshall, Marquis and young Rudyr Marshall shows though, I guess. So fair play with Gramir Moggy has shocked the mark. Just to say, we're going to finish up with a few tunes and we might have a bit of a session after that, but just the main concert part is we'll finish it up soon. But just to say thanks so much for coming out and supporting a night like this, and just thanks as I mentioned earlier to DJ and Grace and everyone here and Watties and all the guys and the guys in Inishir and RSing and Secret Card and Paul as well. And just say thanks so much. And maybe if Mike wants to do
I just wanted to say one thing only, because he's forgotten something really important. And he said all the thanks properly, and well, fair play to him, but there's one really, really important person that we haven't thanked. And without him, I don't think this tour would have taken place. If it had, it wouldn't have been the success it has. And he's standing right next to me.
Oedd yn hyfryd, oedd y cynulleidfa yna, oedd y fenyw yn hyfryd, oedd Emma yn trefnu popeth yn ffantastig fel teci, ac oedd pawb yn really joio. A wy'n credu rydyn ni wedi symud ymlaen fel criw hefyd, mwy o coordination a mwy o cydweithio.
Beth wedodd y locals wrtho ti bore yma?
Oh, wow man, it was gas. It was gas. Ac oedden nhw yn raw, they were really raw.
Mae'n bwysig bod ni yma yn Galway mwyn cryfhau'r cysylltiad efo'r Gwyddelod gan bod nhw efo iaith bodorol hyn a da ni'n canu yn Gymraeg a maen nhw'n canu'n Gwyddelig.
We're here with a mixed motley crew of Irish and Welsh musicians and poets, and we're doing it because we care so much about our languages and we want to learn from each other about the ways to collaborate, and we want to have a lot of fun at the same time, and that's about it.
There's a great buzz and I think everyone's really enthusiastic about the whole thing, so it's good fun. I'm really looking forward to it now.